Great stay. Host is amazing and accommodating to us. He prepared a lot of snacks and made sure to show us around the house first before letting us stay there, and even recommended some eating places in Jiufen. The guest house was spacious and spotless. Would definitely come back again just to stay here. Comfy stay at small room value for the prices. We don't need rush back to Taipei at night. Enjoy the cooling, brisk and peaceful Jiufen night view. Exceptional. Good place, value for money. This place is right inside Jiufen and very easy to access. Don't carry huge luggage as it is very difficult to carry around walking on the narrow and going up and down the street. Overall, it is a good place to stay. Exceptional, thumbs up. Exceptional room is clean. Host is friendly. Cozy environment. Best accommodation in Jiufen. We got the big room with balcony and it was perfect for our group. The room is spacious and it has a lot of amenities. The only hard part was going to the accommodation itself, but once you're there, you can see why Jiufen is a good travel spot in Taiwan. Excellent place. It's conveniently located at the quiet end of Jiufen Old Street. The place is done very stylishly and there's even free hot water and snacks. Great value too. Great. Great location and service. Cute, affordable, Japanese-style room right in the heart of the city. The hosts are incredibly helpful as well. Excellent value. Value for money. This hotel is value for money. Location is good as well. Exceptional tiny room but very nice. Smile good in placement. I have a nice trip here.